Hello everyone and welcome back to this step-by-step tutorial. Today we're going to see how to build a task dashboard in Notion. First thing first, open Notion and click the plus new page button. Name it Task Kit and Task Dashboard. Then type /table. Then choose table. Then click on full page. You are now having your main task database. Now add columns to organize your work like task name, status, priority, due date, category or optional, notes, it's just a text if you need, and a tip, add emojis for a visual touch. Now make your dashboard more flexible. Go to board view, then group by status, then Kanban board. Then click on calendar view and group by due date. And when it comes to list view, minimal daily overview, you can switch views anytime using the top left dropdown. Now, keep tasks organized. Just filter them by status, is not, and done. And sort them due date, ascending, priority, descending. Now you'll always see the most urgent tasks first. Now to build your dashboard layout, add headings like today's tasks, high priority and completed tasks. Just type /linked view of database and choose your task table. Apply filter for each section like today's tasks, due date is today, high priority, priority is high, and completed task, for example, status is done. Just arrange sections into 2 columns for a clean layout. Now to add optional features like quick add button, just click view, then customize button to add pre-filled tasks quickly. Also you have widgets you can use Indify for or option to add clocks, calendars or Pomodoro timers. You can also customize it by add icons, colors and covers for personality. And done, you now have a complete task dashboard in Notion. Simple, organized and ready to boost your productivity. And that's it guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.